Number 30. Which cell contains a haploid nucleus? So haploid nucleus is present in specific cells, and they are collectively called gametes, or in other words, they are sex cells. Okay. So amongst these four options, there's only one sex cell, which is of course the sperm cell. Neuron is a body cell, so it should be diploid. Skin cell is also a body cell, so it should be diploid. And red blood cell does not have nucleus. So only gamete in here is the sperm cell, so the answer should be B. Haploid means it has a singlet of chromosomes, not in pairs. So chromosomes are not present in pairs, but singlets. But diploids are pairs. So for instance, the humans, we have 46 chromosomes in each cell, in each body cells. There are 46 chromosomes because the chromosomes are in pairs. So we've got 23 pairs, thereby 46 chromosomes. But for gametes, like sperm cells and egg cells, they have only 23 chromosomes, not in pairs, but 23 chromosomes. And they are called haploid. Okay?